Who are these people and what are they up to? Well, they're among the millions of Christians who have left Christianity of ancient days for a faith for our day. They take science seriously, they take biblical scholarship seriously, and they take the Bible seriously. So what have they left behind? Well, the biblical worldview where God is in heaven above the earth looking down on us, and hell is below us and we are somewhere in between on a flat earth. And the idea that our world was created in 6 24-hour days, or that God is opposed by a devil called Satan, and that salvation is dependent upon what we do rather than what God does, and of course that blood sacrifice can forgive sins. But they haven't left their brains behind, or their love of God, or their commitment to Jesus' prayer, that your kingdom come on earth as it is in heaven. Most of all, they found a relevant faith that restores the vitality of the early church in our own day, one desperately needed for our time. God is preparing a new wineskin before our very eyes, and you are invited to taste this new wine. It's called Progressive Christianity.